Yeah, Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Right, now for our topic today, I will explain after we recap the lesson from last week. Now, last week we started the new chapter, the new theme, which is under energy and forces, and we did about forms of energy. So, what we talked about last week, the main form of energy, the important form of energy on earth is the sun. So if you ask, kalau kamu kena tanya, what is the main source of energy on earth, the answer is the sun. And for your level, you only have to remember 6 forms of energy. Okay, 6 forms of energy. You have movement energy, movement bergerakah, moving, movement energy, sound energy, sound bunyi. Okay, when you can hear me talk, it means I produce sound energy. When you hear someone talk, that person produces sound energy. If you hear something, if you hear anything, it means it has sound energy. Then you have heat energy. Heat energy, panas, panas. Heat energy. Then you have light energy. Light energy helps you to see. Then you have electrical energy, which is energy provided to any electrical appliances, barang-barang elektrik apa tu. And also have stored energy. Stored energy is energy yang kena simpan, being kept and then can be used for some other time. Alright, those are the things that we talked about last week. So today we are looking at changes in the form of energy. So what does it mean? First things first, benda ni mesti kamu tahu, energy cannot be created nor destroyed. Apa maksudnya? Energi ni yang dapat kita ni cipta. Apatah lagi kita ni musnahkan. Bolehkah kita ni, can you say I can destroy light energy? If you can destroy light energy, it means that the whole world will be dark, will be black. No light, you cannot see anything, which is impossible, isn't it? But we can change the energy from one form to another. Apa maksudnya tu? Energi tu boleh kita ni tukar daripada satu form atau satu jenis kepada jenis yang lain. Contohnya, here I have a battery. Okay, battery energizer. Battery has stored energy. Okay, kalau ni cuma ni saya, tak ada apa-apa kan, ada nothing. You cannot do anything with it. So, apa caranya untuk kita ni gunakan bateri ni? So, we can use the battery, we can put it in any electrical appliances. Contohnya, let me find something first. Okay, for example, what do I have here? This is a power bank. Inside the power bank, there are batteries like this. But different kind. So the batteries inside has stored energy, and then to prove it still work, ada lampunya tu. So it is full energy. Now, in order for you to make use of the stored energy inside here, what do? You find a phone or you find something you want to charge, right? So I have here my phone. Okay, my phone. So it's not charged yet, but if what will happen? The phone is charging, isn't it? So the power bank charges the phone. So the energy here is stored energy from the phone changes into electrical energy, which charges the phone. Okay? So the stored energy from the power bank changes to electrical energy. Electrical energy going here and then charges the phone. Okay, that's one. Another example I have here. Do you know what's this? Matches. Okay, mancis. So matches. Okay, I'll take one. A match, the top of the match, okay, the top here This one here at the top here. This is stored energy. Ini stored energy. Kalau macam manis ya, nada dapat buat apa-apa, nada. Nothing happens. But if you strike the match, the head, to the matchbox yang sini, so this is stored energy ya, stored energy. What happened here? The stored energy changes to light, which you can see, and also heat, panas. Okay, so that's one example. So the stored energy changes to heat and light energy. So in order for you to write it down, wait, I'll find a paper first. Okay, so just now we have a match, right? So match is stored energy. Okay, stored energy, sorry, this is backwards. So stored energy. Okay, stored energy, in order for you to make it, in order to make the formula, okay, so wait. Okay, now, so just now I said about stored energy, right? Stored energy from the match. Then if you want to write it down, arrow changes. This means changes to heat plus meaning it happens at the same time, light energy. Okay, so stored energy, this is from match. This arrow means changes to, so heat energy and light energy. Okay, so this is how you write down the energy, the forms of energy, dia punya changes apa. So macam tadi battery juga, battery, the power charger and power bank, this one, the power bank. So power bank, when you write down, same thing, the first one will be stored energy from the battery, stored energy, and then it changes to electrical energy. Okay, so far so good. Okay, let's move on. Alright, now so we already did two tadi, match, mancis dengan power bank. So the energy changes. Now how are other energy changes? Contohnya, for example again, macam mana what I'm doing, when I write down, nulis, when I write down something, I'm using the stored energy from the food that I ate. Okay, makanan yang teacher makan tadi, makanan, the food contains stored energy. So the stored energy from the food, it is being converted or it's being changed into movement energy whenever I do movement. When I move, bila teacher bergerak, bila teacher bercakap, bila teacher menulis, all those are movement energies. Movement energy come from the food that I ate. So stored energy, makanan yang teacher makan itu tukar jadi movement energy. So apa lagi energy? Okay. Do you hear anything? That is sound energy, right? When I move my hand, this is movement. When I move my hand, and then you can hear the sound energy, it means that movement energy changes to sound energy. Okay, lagi. What are the example? Okay, how about when you switch on the lights? Lampu. When you switch on the lights, you press the switch first, right? Apa yang keluar daripada the switch itself? It's electrical, right? So electrical energy changes to ni lampu apa tu? Heat and light energy. Light energy that you can see, heat bila kamu terasa panas. When you feel the heat from the light fixture. Okay, apa lagi? These are changes, changes in energy. Or kalau kamu Google, if you want to Google up, you can Google up energy transformations. Sama saja itu. It is same thing, energy transformation. Even in the YouTube, you can get so many examples of energy transformation or changes in the form of energy. Supaya kamu faham lah. Okay. Apa lagi? I know that you don't drive cars. Mungkin ada yang kamu suka main basikal. Mengayuh basikal apa. Okay, when you play with your bike or when you cycle, you are using your stored energy. Okay, stored energy dari badan kamu tu. You use stored energy in order to pedal the bicycle. So when you pedal the bicycle, so you're moving your legs, right? So stored energy from your body is being converted or changed to movement energy when you pedal. Bila kamu mengayuh basikal tu, that's movement energy. So you can move, right? Okay, moves from stored energy changes to movement energy. Another example, ini selalu ni kita ni buat. Bila tergugur barang, when you accidentally, dah sengaja tergugur barang. So contohnya, I have a pen here, teacher ada pen. Okay, this pen, let's say contoh terlepas dari itu, gugur. Okay, bilanya di atas sana, when it's up here, it is stored energy. Bila teacher masih pegang, it is stored energy. Tapi bila sudah terlepas, there is movement energy. Bilanya gugur atau gugur, there is movement. And then bilanya mengampai di meja ataupun mengampai di lantai, it is stored energy balik. Sebab ia dah bergerak. Okay, just ingatkan saya, ini nanti saya, stored energy ni something yang dapat bergerak, indah bergerak ataupun digunakan dari stored energy. Okay, apa lagi? What are the examples? Okay, food has stored energy, drinks has stored energy. So all this can be changed into other forms of energy. Now, I can't think of others. There are so many, banyak tu benarnya. There are so many. We have what? Electrical energy, we have sound energy, we have heat energy, we have light energy, we have movement energy. So many things now. If you have any questions, I think I better stop now. I will give you an exercise after this, don't worry. You have to do the exercise as well. And please do your work on time. Buat kerja kamu tu tepat pada masanya. And to parents, ibu bapa, kalau kelulusan mendengar masa ni, the link I will close at 11:59 PM, 11:59 malam. I will not extend the time. Okay, and I will not remind you in the group as well. So ingat sendiri, paham sendiri lah. And kids, do take care, do enjoy yourself. Jangan pandai hilang daripada buat kerja. And I will see you for the next lesson on Thursday.